Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today we're going to do a quick follow-up look at the AV-8 Lancaster bomber. Before you get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am still wearing that ballast Trafalgar tireless. I have not taken this thing off since I did the box opening on it. Honestly, I've been wearing it like a week straight and I am really falling in love with this one. I know the price point was higher for the channel compared to what I normally do. This one's priced at $750, but they do have other variations of this watch at a lower price point. I think they had some around $450. And if you use promo code WATCHIN90, I think it is, which will be in the notes of this video, you can save yourself even a little bit more. There's also a promo code for AV-8, so you could save yourself some on the AV-8 watches if you want to. All right, the Lancaster bomber. So this one, let's take a look here. There's a few different variations of this one. This one is an AV-4067-02. And I actually really like the look of this one. I like a lot of the AV-8 watches. A lot of the ones that I've done box openings on and reviews on, my dad actually commandeered from me. I like the treatment on the crown that they have on this. And one of the coolest thing about AV-8s, I think the treatment they do on a lot of their case backs are really cool. I mean, that case back is just awesome. We also have a signed buckle on a nice leather strap. This one's a 43 millimeter case. It's 50 meter water resistant. And it is stainless steel. I even like what looks like, almost like a riveted together section on the side of the case there. This one, as far as the movement goes, the only thing I could find on it, it just says it is a Japan Quartz 3-hand movement with date. So I'm not sure the exact movement on this. You see the date window down there at the 6 o'clock position. I really like the numbers and markers on this one. They're just big, simple, clean, easy to wear. This one they describe as being a 40s style, which I can see. I mean, it's just a nice, simple, clean watch. I like the hands, and I like a lot of AV-8 stuff. This one is priced at $158.51, and if you use that promo code WATCHIN20, I think the promo code for this one is, you can save yourself a little bit of money. And that promo code works on everything that AV-8 has, I believe, except for items that are already on sale. I'm going to throw it on wrist really quick so we can see what it looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Like I said, it feels like the first time I've taken that ballast off in a week. I mean, granted, I take it off every night, but I am falling in love with that one for sure. Right. And I actually really like this one. It has a nice weight to it. It's not overly heavy. It's not too light. I like the distressed look on the leather strap on this. And that 43 millimeter case really is a nice size for my wrist. I try not to go over 45 millimeter on my roughly 7-inch wrist because they tend to look just gigantic. That ballast, I think, was 46 or 47, but I love it so much I don't even care about the size. We're going to go dark really quick, take a look at this one in the dark and see what the lume looks like. Here we are in the dark, and you can see the lume already shining a little bit. That's just from it being under the lights. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with my black light, and let's see how bright we can get it on this one. It's got nice solid lume. I like the hands on this one. I like that there's markers on the outer ring. Of course, it's not staying super bright. It usually doesn't, just hitting it with the black light for a quick second, but you can see the hands are still going strong. And actually, to the naked eye, it picks up brighter than it does on the camera. Here we are back in the light. So my final thoughts on this one, I like the look. I think it's got a nice weight, feels nice. I like the brushed case with polished bezel. I like that the buckle's brushed, ties into the case. I like the design on the crown. There's a lot to like on this one. It is just a nice, simple, clean watch. And this model, the AV-4067-02, being a black dial, would lend itself to a whole lot of different options as far as swapping the band out, which is always fun. Like I said, I really like this one. I think at the $158 price point, a lot of people would be happy with this one. Like I said, use that promo code WATCHING20 and save yourself a little bit of money. Plus, it helps the channel just seeing people click through. You know, I always like to see what people, if anybody buys anything or clicks through from the channel. I always think it's cool. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.